Hi, I'm Saurav, and today we are going to see how we can use browser use agents. So first you need to create an account at cloud.browseruse.com and sign up. So to interact with agent, you need to click on a new session and you will see a UI like this. So here is where you can type your task. We also have pre-formatted tasks for you if you want to try it out. Like for extraction-based tasks, we also have few like monitoring and personal tasks which might need some personal profile data. So let's try out like collect Amazon data. So go to Amazon and extract top 10 best-selling laptops. Now, when it comes to browser use agent, there is a lot of customization, and one of the core customization is the LLM model. You can use browser use LLM, which is fast and capable, or you can use Claude, Sonnet, which can be slow, but one of the smartest model we have. We also have other models which you can play around with and see how they work for your given use case. You can also attach a file which the agent can access during the runtime, or do some advanced configuration like maximum step it can take while running the task. The output format, like if it should just return in text or you want a specific JSON output format. You can also set like agent behavior, like should it highlight the elements while identifying them, or should it run in flash mode, which means like it's not going to wait for the website to load everything. You can also enable thinking mode, wherein agents take some time to think what should be the next step, and if you want to use the vision model. We'll be covering profiles and secrets in upcoming videos, but for stealth, we highly recommend setting up proxy location, especially based on the country which you're trying to access. For passing secrets, there is a very cool way. You don't actually have to pass secrets in the prompt itself, but you can create an allowed domain where the secret needs to be entered, and then add a secret with like label and value. The label is the actual name which the LLM will see, but the value would be the actual secret which we replace while executing the step where the agent asks to replace it with that label. We also have something called skills, which is going to be covered in separate video. So these are the basic settings. So now let's see what happens when we run a task. So it usually takes 2 to 5 seconds to load the browser and set up the whole infra so that the agent can start performing. So as you can see on the left side, I can see the current browser, and on the right side, I can see the agent taking step or thinking. So the page has loaded and I should see the step 1. Yeah, so agent has already started performing the action. One of the cool things is you can actually take control in case there is a captcha or you want to enter the credentials by yourself. You can just click on take control, and what will happen is you can actually interact with the website, edit something or change anything. And once you have done, you can just reprompt the agent again, like, get me 13-inch laptops. Okay, and let's run this. So as you can see, the agent will start with the same context it has, and also the same state, like it already had the page open. So it now filtered it for 13-inch, and we should see the output of the agent in few seconds in text format. So as you can see, we have all the list of laptops which are 13-inch with their ratings. Now, when the agent is finished, we still have the browser actively running, and you can actually prompt some task again. This is only for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, automatically the session will end. Sometimes you want to end session manually. So you can just click on end session button, and this should manually close the session for you. And the UI you will see after the session is closed is where you can see each step taken and the screenshot for each step which the agent took, so that you can debug what happened and how was the agent performing. So these are the basics of how you can run browser use agent on cloud. We will be covering other topics soon in next videos, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.